Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel to create a frequency distribution table, and I will also show you how to plot this data to create a frequency histogram. So let's get to it. To start with, I just have my sample data. This data is height measurement in inches from a group of people. Each cell represents a person's height. The first thing I need to do is to create a frequency distribution table. The first thing is to decide my limit. Once it is not available, from the data given, it can be observed that 64 is the smallest number and 72 is the highest number. I will enter the smallest number, which is 64, in the cell below it. I will enter equal to and then click on the cell containing the smallest number plus 0.5. Then I will click and drag the formula down until I reach 72. The great thing is that Excel will perform the rest. To obtain the frequency, we are going to use the frequency formula, which is equal to frequency into the bracket and drag on the cells containing the data. Separate with comma, then click and drag on the cell containing the limit and close the bracket. At this stage, don't press enter because we have highlighted all the cells. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus enter. This shows that 64 appear once. This means that there is only one person that his or her height is less than or equal to 64. Also, there is only one person that has height between 64 and 64.5 and so on like that. And that is all about the frequency table. Now, how about creating a frequency histogram? Frequency histogram is just a visual representation of the frequency table, and it makes things much more easier to visualize. To create the histogram, highlight the frequency, then go to Insert and select 2D bar chart. The histogram displays the bin limit on the x-axis and the frequency on the y-axis. You see that the x-axis does not display the correct value. To correct this, click on the graph and choose Select Data for the horizontal axis. Click Edit, then click and drag the range of Z containing the bin limit. Then press Enter. Click OK and then OK. Based on the outcome of histogram, we can conclude that the data is normally distributed because you can see it. To add axis title, click on the plus button and select as title. Alternatively, we can also use this side to add the as title. The x-axis is called, y-axis is called frequency. To reduce the space between the bar, I will double click on the bar and I will reduce the gap width to 25 and press enter. But if you don't want any space in between the bar, reduce the width to 0 and that is all. If you have any question, please put it down in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.